Rita Karpat Pensha ngatang kendiat ngan syukran syabangan ruai. Lapan krek lupa pun snap ya kan isi berkat kan pandau entah pada gini isi abang berkat ngan ruah ngan dei man ruai kau ke Jingrwai yu ngan ruai lapan krek ke Jingrwai jong ke peneng Henry kam syok ke mensim jong ke ke banyak enga ke dei berbor jika ni ke Jingrwai ke ngan ruai mentah ai uncle it ke keren syabhang ke jing dan kam jongi bengin bread ke jing kit jongi hu Jesus Christ ki por baro bar ngamar tati lada indan mentah kan ke jing seng in kwa ban ikat ni pot ba kan pen skuny i ban le ka tai ke bi ban le wat ke por bidang sitom ba bangan klan ban yalah ke gospel ke Jingrwai kong i hang ta lam la jingkit hau trai i no hang ta ngan ruai kini ke Jingrwai ha kekti nong wei na marba bon ki ya petru na keleng ke ribat chabar kum jo ki bam smut hu kekti jongi bat ngasngo kan kambyang bangan le kum ta bat ha kini ke por wat ha preng ki jingkit men sim ke mangila bandon ngasngo ke de ki jing khot jong oblei yang hilang baro bangin i ke jingkit jong hau trai ban lam ki ha kejat keding pernah. The song that I'm going to sing at this moment is Uncle's favorite song that he would ask me time and again to sing at any festivals that we go. He would end with his messages and ask me to sing this as the last song. And I feel this is more apt today to sing the song because I feel that if he's alive, he'd be raring to go to preach the gospel at this moment. And even through this period of trial and pain and tears that we are going through, particularly the family, let's just leave our burdens to the Lord, for he cares for us. Leave it there. If this world from you withholds some of its silver and its gold, and you have to get along with meager fare, just remember in his word how he feeds the little bird. Take your burden to the Lord and leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it there. Just take your burden to the Lord and leave it there. If you trust and never doubt, he will surely bring you out. So take your burden to the Lord and leave it there. If your body suffers pain and your health you just cannot regain, and your soul is almost sinking in despair. Jesus knows the pain we feel. He can save. Only Jesus can heal. So take your burden to the Lord and leave it there. Just leave it there. Come on, leave it there. Take your burden to the Lord and leave it there. If you trust and never doubt, He will surely bring you out. So take your burden to the Lord and leave it there. Let's just leave